Welcome to Nashville, beautiful people. I'm Stephen Miller with the Exodus Group, and today I'm taking you inside of my new listing at the exclusive 505 building in downtown Nashville. You are just steps away from the Bridgestone Arena, the Ryman, Assembly Food Hall, Broadway, all of it, everything within a stone's throw. So many amenities here in this 1,374 square foot, 2-bedroom, 2-bath condo here in downtown Nashville. I make videos like this every single week, so make sure you're following along. And if you're looking to buy or sell a home here in the Nashville area, I'm your guy. So let's check this place out. Imagine waking up to this view every morning, guys. You walk out of your bedroom, you come into the kitchen here, make a cup of coffee, maybe a little bit of breakfast, and just enjoy watching the birds fly by, maybe look down below at all the little people. Sounds pretty dreamy to me. I love the modern simplicity and minimalism of this space. You've got concrete floors, concrete pillars, and it really does serve to draw your focus and attention to these 180-degree panoramic views that are just accentuated by the fact that you have floor to ceiling windows on every single wall. So really, no matter where you look, you can't go wrong in here. So this is the primary room, guys. And again, it is so minimalist and simple and sleek. I love it. You've got the full wall of windows overlooking downtown from the bedroom here, as well as an oversized walk-in closet that is super modern, just clean lines. I love how fresh this room feels. Into the way this condo flows, and its sense of space is so unique. You move past the kitchen straight into this sort of study office area, and the use of mixed media from the concrete wall to the natural wood, all the different accents. It's so unique and so interesting to me. I feel like you could be really productive in this room no matter what your line of work is. So let's just say I'm here in the living room, watching a little Netflix on the television. I look over to my right, I can see the clock tower of Union Station. Now, I'm not that much of a bragging man per se, but that's a pretty good flex. All right, guys, this is the last room before I show you the amazing amenities that the 505 building has here in downtown Nashville. And when I say amenities, I mean amenities. I'm talking a 24/7 concierge. I'm talking pickleball and tennis court. I'm talking pool. I'm talking an elite level fitness center. It's got everything that you would want in a high-rise condo like this at this level of exclusive luxury. I cannot wait to show it to you, but I would be remiss if I did not show you this beautiful Japanese-inspired second bedroom with an infrared sauna. So let's check it out. right, guys, that is it for today's home tour. I hope you love this home as much as I do. If you're interested in buying this home, shoot me a message. We will get you hooked up. I am everywhere on social media that there is social media: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, X, or formerly known as Twitter, whatever you want to call it. Otherwise, until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.
For your name's sake, you will lead me back home to you.